Creating digital signage has never been easier. This video shows you how to quickly create images using Canva AI and how to send them straight to the Ditto digital signage management platform. In just a few minutes, you can design, edit, and publish signage to screens across your entire campus or office. First, log into Canva and select the Canva AI option. Enter a prompt for the image you want to generate. Then select Create an Image. Choose the aspect ratio of your digital sign. Submit the prompt and review the results. You may need to revise your prompt or generate more images to find one you're happy with. Note that Canva shows how it interpreted your prompt. You can use that as a starting point to revise your prompt. Open the image editor to modify and customize your image as needed. Use Canva's Magic Studio tools to make edits. Use the Magic Eraser to remove blemishes and the Grab Text tool to edit words. Add brand assets to give your image a personal touch. Now it's time to send the image to Ditto. Click the Share button at the top of the design. Click See All, then search for Ditto. Select a Ditto digital signage list for the image. Click Save. Canva will send your image directly to Ditto. That's it! Your image now appears on your digital signs. Start using Ditto digital signage today at goditto.com.